Hello and welcome to Mangley Town and my Class 43 unboxings. Today we have Hornby R3403, which is the standard original blue and yellow, and this is actually the very first Intercity 125 I got. It's the limited of 1,000 edition for the 40th year of service. So I'll have a look at the most classic livery. And this one is number 246. And we have Power Car, which is W43002. And I do think that is a nice crisp livery. And opening doors again. And for my very first one, I was well happy with all the detail on that. And then we have the dummy car, which is W43003. And looking forward to getting that back on the layout and showing you all the coaches that I've got for it. And I'll catch you again soon. Thank you.